When you were a kid, how did you imagine the future? Much like those 80s sci-fi movies that showed life beyond the year 2000, with flying cars, self-tying shoelaces, and hoverboards. Sadly, reality doesn't really match some of those early predictions. Yet, despite a lack of flying cars, technology has made our lives much easier in most aspects. The ingenuity of humanity never fails to amaze us with cool futuristic inventions that are likely to change how we live. And in 2021, we continue to get incredible futuristic gadgets and technologies. Welcome to another video from Disrupt Tech, where we're going to tell you today about the top 10 best inventions from the future that we might be getting sooner rather than later. But before we get into all that, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ding that notification bell so you never miss another update from us. Number 10. The MCLEAR Ring. A contactless payment wearable makes checkout lines even easier since you won't have to look through your wallet to find your card. The MCLEAR Ring contactless payment wearable is what you will need for convenient payments. This wearable is stylish and draws its funding from your connected credit or debit card. Best of all, it's waterproof, so you don't have to worry about damaging it when you wash your hands. You can find out more about this gadget on their official website at MCLEAR.com. Number 9. Cooler Master KFC Console. This is a bucket-shaped gaming PC that actually warms your chicken wings if you get a snack craving mid-game. Gaming can make you hungry, and that's where the Cooler Master KFC Console bucket-shaped gaming PC comes in. This future high-tech gadget is in fact a PC with high-quality components, and can even warm your chicken wings thanks to its warming tray that has room for 2 small wings. This gadget's price is to be announced, but you can still read more about it on their website at landing.coolmaster.com/KFC console. Number 8. The LumiStraw Water Purifying Bottle. This UVC LED technology, the LumiStraw Water Purifying Bottle, helps to disinfect and filter water while you drink. It even comes with a reusable straw to remain eco-friendly, and you can stay hydrated on your daily commute with the LumiStraw Water Purifying Bottle. It's not just any water bottle because it actually filters water to eradicate bacteria and fluoride in liquid for a healthier drink. Additionally, it boasts UVC LEDs and PTFE for a refreshing great drink when you need it. You can top it off with tap water whenever you arrive at work so as to quench your thirst at the desk. Now, there is no official release date or price announced as of yet, but you can still visit their official website to stay in the loop. Number 7. PICO Max. Grow a garden anywhere. The PICO Max is a beautifully designed and fully featured self-watering planter with LED grow light that weighs 3.3 pounds and an optimal smaller model which features 2.4 inches wide. With the compact form factor and rounding detailed, the mini garden delivers an elegant and stylish appearance design and multiple bright color options so as to ensure that it fits in a variety of interior setups. The PICO Max fits a wide variety of plants and herbs, and with a built-in watering system, the planter always gives plants as much water as they need. All you gotta do is just top up every 10 days. Number 6. XUPERMASK High-Tech Face Mask. Designed by singer will.i.am and manufactured by the company Honeywell, this wearable does make more than keep bacteria and viruses away from your nose and mouth. It even includes noise-canceling headphones so you can listen to your music while you travel. Moreover, this high-tech face mask includes LED lights to add an eccentric touch whenever you walk down the streets at night. Because ventilation is important in a face mask, XUPERMASK includes 3-speed fans to help keep you cool in warmer environments and during all-day wear. The design will hopefully be able to keep your glasses steam-free too. In addition, it offers a 7-hour battery life, and you can even charge it while you wear it. Overall, it is quite head-turning and is a futuristic mask aimed at combining fashion with technology. Number 5. GENERARK Solar Generator. Prepare yourself for emergencies with the GENERARK Solar Generator. This system includes the Home Power 2 Battery Pack Power Station and the Solar Power 2 All-Weather Portable Solar Panels. Designed for modern homes, they can power up to 99% of home appliances with 2,200 watts of power and provide up to 7 days of essential power. so you won't have to be worrying about your tools or even communication, lighting, medical, or home office devices going without power. Furthermore, boasting ultra-fast reliable technology, the GENERARK provides continuous coverage and only takes about 3 hours to recharge completely. Additionally, you can recharge with solar power, an AC outlet, or even a car outlet. Number 4. Snap Spectacles AR Glasses. You can create your world with the Snap Spectacles 4th generation lightweight AR glasses. These immersive AR glasses have dual waveguide displays and a 26.3 degree diagonal point of view. They overlay information right on the world in front of you, and with a display that shines up to 2000 nits of brightness, they are great for wearing both indoors and outdoors alike. Moreover, they boast 2 RGB cameras, 4 microphones, and even a touchpad. Best of all, weighing in at just 134 grams, they are comfortable for your face. And even furthermore, these lightweight AR glasses are portable, making it super easy to share the experience with your friends and family. Finally, designed for creators, they let you use Lens Studio to redefine how augmented reality can look in the world around you. You can build and interact with your lenses in real time. Number 3. QUANTA VICI Smart Heated Gloves and Socks. Do you live in a cold climate? Well, you're not going to feel like it when you wear these QUANTA VICI Smart Heated Gloves and Socks. These intelligent wearables evenly distribute heat for up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit and maintain the temperature that you choose. Simply just set them to your desired temperature using your phone, and they stay at your precise personal settings. Offering a premium design and high-quality materials, the heated gloves and socks offer breathability and dexterity. They've also got smart features like anti-loss notification in case you drop your glove off on the go. With a night visibility light, you'll even be able to see them and others will see you. Moreover, there's 30 different features that you will love because the QUANTA VICI boasts performance, style, and functionality all in one. Made with a thin, breathable, waterproof material, they offer touchscreen-friendly fingertips and an anti-slip grip texture. Number 2. XIAOMI MCLEAR Charge. The XIAOMI MCLEAR Charge technology is the future of wireless charging standards. This advancement lets you remotely charge electronic devices without any cables or wireless charging stands. In fact, spatial positioning and energy transmission is at its core. It's capable of 5-watt remote charging for a single device within a radius of several meters. Also, it can charge multiple devices remotely at the same time. This self-developed isolated charging pile has 5-phase interface antennas built in, which accurately detect the location of the smartphone. There is also even a control phase array composed of 144 antennas, which help to transmit millimeter-wide waves directly to the phone through beamforming. With the XIAOMI MCLEAR Charge technology, you can finally hope to turn the sci-fi charging experience into reality. Lastly, number 1. ReviCamera 5K Portable Scanner. It goes without saying that most of us wouldn't even think about carrying a scanner around with us. But that is because, quite frankly, they're just not the most movable piece of tech. Until now, that is. This is because this excellent-looking 5K portable scanner from ReviCamera offers you a wide array of great features, like AI control, 20 megapixel clarity, 5K resolution, and a 4-mic array. So it is really not hard to see why this device has taken the world by storm. Ideal for those with regular scanning needs in their day-to-day life, the ReviCamera 5K portable scanner is a smart bit of tech which delivers a fast and crystal clear scanning experience day in and day out. It's ideally suited for telecommuting, remote education, or those who are currently working from home. It allows you to scan a book while flipping through it and can scan up to 3 pages in just 1 second, which is pretty unprecedented for scanning technology. So, which one of these cool futuristic gadgets are you most excited about? And which one of these gadgets would you like to own? Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and make sure that you have subscribed to our channel. Until next time guys, stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you around.